What if you could get emergency cash from your phone in just a few minutes without dealing with traditional loan applications or stressful credit checks? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the Beem app in 2026 and whether it's actually worth using for cash advances and financial management. Beem is a financial wellness app that combines cash advances, budgeting tools, spending insights, credit monitoring, and AI-powered financial assistance into one platform. The feature most people use is called Everdraft, which allows eligible users to request short-term cash advances directly through the app. To get started, download the Beem app and create your account using your email and personal information. After that, you'll need to securely connect your bank account so the app can analyze your income history, spending habits, and eligibility for cash advances. Once your account is connected, the app evaluates your financial activity to determine whether you qualify for Everdraft and how much money you may be able to access. One important thing to understand is that approval amounts vary from user to user, so not everyone will receive the same advance limit. After approval, you can request a cash advance directly inside the app and transfer funds to your linked account. According to many users, this process is usually faster and easier than applying for traditional payday loans or short-term bank loans. Beyond cash advances, Beem also includes several additional tools that many users overlook. You can monitor bills, track spending, receive budgeting insights, and even access credit monitoring and identity protection features. The app also includes AI-powered financial guidance that tries to help users better understand their spending habits and financial health over time. One feature many users appreciate is the simple interface. Compared to some financial apps that feel complicated or overloaded with features, Beem keeps most tools easy to access for beginners. According to user feedback, the app can be genuinely useful during emergencies like unexpected bills, groceries, transportation costs, or temporary cash shortages between paychecks. However, there are definitely some downsides you should know before using the app. A common complaint is that some users qualify for much lower cash advances than expected, while others may not qualify at all depending on their banking history and financial activity. Some reviewers also mention customer support delays, subscription concerns, and occasional confusion around fees or optional tipping systems connected to the platform. Another important point is that cash advance apps should ideally be used responsibly and only for short-term financial emergencies rather than becoming a long-term habit. Overall, if you occasionally need quick access to emergency cash and want additional budgeting tools in the same app, Beem can definitely be useful in 2026. It's simple to use, beginner-friendly, and offers more financial tools than many basic cash advance apps. At the same time, your experience will depend heavily on your financial profile and eligibility, so it's important to set realistic expectations before signing up. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which finance or AI app you want me to review next.